Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, today in this video I'm going to talk about a beautiful PVC false ceiling designs. There you can see there the beautiful ceiling designs are available. So friends, in this video I'm going to cover that what is the latest plans for making the PVC false ceiling and what are the important points to remember before installations and their advantages. Because of false ceiling is no longer just a luxury element in modern homes, but today it plays a major role in enhancing the interior aesthetics, which improves the lighting and hiding the electrical wiring. So first, let me understand that what is a PVC false ceiling. PVC stands for polyvinyl chloride. A PVC false ceiling is made using the lightweight plastic panels that are fixed below the original ceiling with a metal framework. And PVC false ceilings are available in different colors, textures, and designs, so making them suitable for homes, even in the office, shops, in a commercial space. Friends, it has some beautiful advantages. One of the biggest advantages of PVC false ceiling is that it is 100% waterproof and it does not absorb some moisture, so making it an excellent choice for our living rooms, even in our bedrooms, kitchens. Like unlike the gypsum or POP, PVC does not swell or crack due to its moistures. And PVC materials is termite resistance unlike the wooden ceiling, so this increases the lifespan of the ceiling and reduces the maintenance cost. And also PVC false ceiling requires very little maintenance. They can be easily cleaned using a dry cloth, mild soap and water, so no repainting or polishing is required, so which make it cost effective for the long run. And also they are lightweight, so which reduces the load on the structures and makes the installation faster, allows easy removal and replacement if you require any features. So this also helps to reduce the labor cost. And there are also budget friendly options, they provide a neat and modern finishes at a budget friendly price. And nowadays PVC false ceiling has become more popular. It conceals the wiring and improves the lighting, so PVC false ceiling helps to hide the electrical wiring, AC ducts, pipes. It also supports the different lighting options such as LED panel lights, cow lighting, spotlights. This enhance the overall interior look. So high quality PVC panels are fire retardant and resistant to many chemicals, so making them suitable for commercial space as well. So friends, now let's talk about the latest price for installation of PVC false ceilings. Actually, the price totally depends on brand, thickness, designs, and the locations. So the basic and simple designs, it will cost you around 90 to 100 rupees per square feet, and if you want uh, good design, complex designs, it will cost you around 110 to 130 rupees per square feet. So friends, prices may be vary on cities, brand, and labor charges. So actually, totally depends on your locations also. Suppose, so let me take some example to understand that how much it will cost. Suppose our ceiling size is 10 by 15, so that is a 150 square feet ceiling. So for 150 square feet for a simple designs, it will cost you around. We have to multiply with a 90, 150 into 90. It comes is 13,500 rupees. And for a heavy designs, the price starts from 120. We will take as 120 rupees per square feet. It will cost you around 18,000 rupees. So this is, I'm talking about only the PVC false ceiling, but and the lighting, lights extra, there will be charges. So friends, before installing PVC fall ceiling, you should remember some important points. I always choose the right thickness. Always select the good quality PVC panels with proper thickness to avoid the bending or sagging over the time. Avoid the very low ceiling height. So PVC fall ceiling reduce the ceiling height slightly. So if your room height is already low, choose a slim panels and a simple designs. And always check the brand and quality certification. So prefer branded PVC panels that come with fire retardant properties, quality certification. So low quality PVC may discolor over the time. Another point is to select the design according to your space. So in this video there you can see there are lots of designs are available. So friends, you can select from this video, and always use the light colors for small rooms. Avoid the heavy patterns in compact spaces, and simple designs looks more elegant and modern. Another is the proper ventilation is important. Ensure proper ventilation, especially in kitchens and bathrooms, to avoid the heat accumulations above the ceiling. And always hire a professional installer so for smooth finishing, long lasting. So friends, if you like my videos, then please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.